In this example, we have the absolute value of negative 8 plus x, the whole thing divided by 7, less than or equal to 5. So since the whole absolute value is being divided by 7, I want to give it a denominator. So I'm going to divide both, not divide, multiply both sides by 7. So on the left, these two 7 will divide each other into 1. I'm going to have on the left side absolute value of negative 8 plus x less than or equal to 5 times 7, which is 35. Once I get to that point, my absolute value is by itself. It's less than or equal to 35. So it can be less than a positive number but not a negative. I can keep going. I'm going to follow this structure because this problem or this step is very similar to this form. So I'm going to set up my work according to this. So the inside of my absolute value is negative 8 plus x. So that's going to be in the middle. Follow the inequality sign here. So less than or equal to 35. Then I'm going to put greater than or equal and negative 35. Just like that. Alright. Now our job is to get the x by itself. So it's negative 8 plus x in the middle. I'm going to cancel out the negative 8. So the opposite is adding 8 in the middle. So therefore I'm going to add 8 on the right side, add 8 on the left side. So in the middle I'm just going to have my positive x in the middle, bring down my inequality sign like so. On the left, negative 35 plus 8, that's going to be negative 27. On the right, 35 plus 8 will be 43. So here's my answer in inequality notation. Negative 27 less than or equal, then x less than or equal to 43. So if I were to write this in interval notation, it would look like this. My lower number comes first, so negative 27, comma, my upper number, which is 43, be on the right. So take a look at our inequality sign. On the negative 27, it has less than or equal. That means I'm going to put a bracket on negative 27. On the 43, it has less than or equal. I'm also going to put a bracket on the 43. Like so. So here's my answer. And let me box that. Alright, now to graph this function, so based on this inequality sign where I have two numbers, I'm going to mark negative 27 over here, and I'm going to mark positive 43 over here. Now based on our interval notation answer, so take a look at the bracket on the negative 27. I'm going to draw the bracket over here facing the same direction, like so. Then the bracket on the 43, I'm also going to draw facing the same direction on the number line. Then I'm going to just draw a horizontal line connecting the two brackets on this number line. So this is what your graph should look like to match with your inequality answer. I mean interval notation answer.